What's up, Lunchbox fam? BB here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your dream LED skin. Your dream LED skin is going to come looking like this, so you can see the LED panel in the front with the reflective material on the outside. When you turn the skin around, you can see there's a little zipper pocket. This is where the actual controller for the LED panel is located. Your skin also comes with a power cable, so keep this handy. The LED skin is like any other Lunchbox skin, so you can go ahead and just zip it onto the body of the pack. So you just zip it on to your pack like this. The skin requires a power source, so whether that be a Lunchbox, power box, or any portable charger, you're going to go ahead and take that and put it in the top compartment of your lunchbox. I always keep mine in this little front pocket so it has its own compartment. Then obviously you're gonna take the power cord and plug it in to that power source. So once it's plugged into the power box, you're then going to take the cable. There is a little hole in the top of the bag, so you're gonna take it and just loop it through there, so it pulls through the body of the bag. You're then gonna go ahead and loop that power cable through these little loops that you can see on the outside of the pack. Once you've looped it through the side of the pack like this, you're going to take the connector, put it under the skin, and connect it to the LED controller that's underneath. Now you can see the power source is connected, so the LED panel should turn on like this. So you actually control the panel through an app. You wanna make sure that you are connected to SP107E, and that your connection settings are as follows on the screen recording. Now you can control the panel through the app, so there are tons of different patterns and colors to choose from. These are just a few examples. The patterns on the skin can be sound reactive, but there are also 180 patterns to choose from, so you'll never run out of styles. And that is how you set up the Dream LED skin on your Lunchbox. If you have any more questions, always feel free to shoot them our way, and we hope you enjoy this feature at your next festival.